Let's make some jeans gaiters as seen on Black Dope. You need any jeans, rip off back pockets and belt, measure the length you like and cut both legs evenly. Don't forget about the hem allowances. Decide where you want your pocket, then measure it and pin. Turn the gaiters inside out and sew on the pockets following the traces of an old seam. This will preserve the faded color effect of the pockets. Measure the leg where you want the gaiters to fit. Try it on to mark the folds. Then measure the length you got. Cut 2 mini belts from the jeans belt and some belt loops for the clasp. Sew them on together, then try it on to mark the button. Cut 2 holes in your mini belts, then attach the metal buttons. You're done. You can do an easy version of the boots just by skipping the belt part.